Hi there, it's Dr. Judith Briles, your book shepherd, and I've got a tip with a question. Have you thought about using your book as a business card? Books are great opening to do giveaways. That's why I've always recommended you do at least a short print run of 500 books so you can give them away. And I know a lot of authors, they'll just clutch their book saying, no, you have to buy it. Giving them away opens up a door in a lot of areas. Now, you can, and I would be doing an ask, call to action. I would say, I would love to have you a copy of my book and let you know how my expertise is. This would be for nonfiction. What my expertise is, how I work with authors, and alike. And I would be so honored if you would post a review on Amazon for it and let people know about it and what your one or two takeaways were. And then give them your book. If you're hiring a PR firm, let me tell you, you're going to be spending today $3,000 to $5,000 easy a month, and there's never any guarantees. By you hand giving, and then now you know who you gave it to. You can always reach out. You can do an ask again. How did you like it? What was the takeaway? Remind them to post a review up on Amazon. Those customer reviews on Amazon are huge magnets to enhance your sales on this. So think of your book as a business card. There will be certain placements. When I was being considered for speaking, I would always ask, how many people are on the committee so I can send a book for each person? And if you want to give me their names, I'll personalize it for them. Notch up. Books are business cards. Think about it and use it smartly. I'm Judith Briles. Please share this tip with others. Be a subscriber to our YouTube station, and I wish you publishing success.